outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
So much better. So yeah, we are here right now. The vlog didn't come in days, but you guys will see in the vlog. I didn't really vlog when we was at the party because it was like mad people in the vibe. It was just a lot of going on. So I hope you guys can hear me. So Grace's is like a Chinese restaurant. They got like sushi, and I just ordered chicken and broccoli, and he ordered some wings and stuff. So that's what we about to do now, just to eat. It's like, what time is it, Jim? It's 8:47, but I'm already a little tipsy off the Casamigos, and they had some champagne there, so I'm like, yo. So I just ordered a Sprite because, bitch, I cannot do it. But yes, nice in here at this moment that the food is good. So I've been to Grace's like one time. Is this only in this like DMV area? Is it like in New York or something? I don't think it's in New York. I don't remember seeing a Grace's in New York. It's just in the DMV, so yeah, it's just in the DMV area. So yeah, like I was saying, we was at a party for Jason, one of his friends that he knows, is having a 40th birthday party, and he is on the show Love and Marriage. So Monique Samuels and Chris Samuels is there. They are on the show as well. And if you know Monique, she was on House of Potomac, bitch. That is my show. So we were in VIP. We was like sitting right next to Monique and her husband Chris. I didn't meet her or anything because I wasn't like trying to fangirl, but yeah, it was cool. We saw a lot of people chilling, waiting for our food. First, we're supposed to close at like 8:30 or 9:30, I think. So we got here like just in time to eat. So yeah, I will see you guys on my food comes. And yeah, too much Casamigos, bitch. Too much Casamigos.
You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in the song, alright. I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man.
Came from getting my nails done. The girl lived like right from me, so I just walk. I just wanted like a French pink on pink this time, so it could be super simple and regular because going to Orlando with my boyfriend soon, so you know what I mean. And later on today, me and Jay are going to get some Little Minor taco. I'm like obsessed with Little Minor taco because they got the burrito tacos and the carne asada fries. Bitch, I need it. I've been craving it like a motherfucker. We gonna go see some Little Minor taco today, bitch. All right. So I'll see y'all later.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure.
Bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else tastes it.
So we are at the Blues and Jazz. I'm here to see the guy from Mint Condition. His friends gave him tickets to see it. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. So yeah, we waiting. We gotta order food and we get drinks and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm kind of excited. I never been out, so it's pretty cool in here. Right now, they got like a breakfast buffet thing for Mother's Day. I'm really vlogging me because it's like mad people. Big. That's good.
This and they shave a little time off my sentence.
Okay. What we see?
Pretty close.
Doctor Strange. We at Chili's. And we about to eat. What did you order, honey?
French fries, lemonade, chicken tenders.
Sure did. She wanted to go to
Olive
Garden, but we always go to Olive Garden. I'm tired of eating spaghetti. Okay?
I just love the spaghetti.
Yeah, but you never finish it. You love going, but you never finish it. And then on top of that, you leave it in the refrigerator. You don't eat it the next day. Okay. So yeah, we had Chili's. That's what we're going to do for the rest of the day. We had we watched Doctor Strange. Sophia fell asleep. So did Jason. Jason fell asleep too.
He did?
Yeah, he was snoring.
I didn't know because I think I was asleep at that time.
So yeah, it's pretty chill. It wasn't a wait at all. As soon as we came in and sat down, I didn't want to go nowhere fancy. Y'all know me. I'm a cheap date. I just need what I can get. And I like chili, so that's what we're doing. It's school night for so she definitely going to bed on time.
What?
That's a school night, so you're going to bed on time.
I know.
I hope all you girls had a good Mother's Day. Yeah, exactly. So we're gonna wait for these food to come out. I'll order me a margarita with some Patron in it, child. So I'm ready for that. You ready for your lemonade? What you ordered to drink? She just got water. I feel like I'll be the only one drinking this time every time we go out now. Well, when we go like to restaurants.
Next question. You had something you could put under the table to keep it from rocking?
Like a piece of cardboard or something?
How do you spell it?
Okay. Price. I can taste the alcohol, but it's not a lot. You want to taste it?
Just no creep on it.
Sophia said cheers, Jason.
Shit. So who got one?
Yeah.
Go down. Unless you had the most girl.
Yeah, just shout out to mommy. Okay, what can I watch?
Do another word.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I think this is bonus.
Yes. Good job.
I know B.
Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, what's this word? This should be easy.
Winner.
Good job.
You're a winner, my book.